right, let's see. Hopefully everyone remembers. I had a lot of people forget of how this thing works, right? So, I know no one in here is actually staring at their phone right now, right? Did he? Okay. No one in here has earbuds in right now, right? Did he? Yeah, okay. So, let's try this again. So, class?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, so we are going to start off this semester amazing. You're going to do every single assignment when I say to do the assignment. So at the end of the quarter or the end of the grading period, you don't have 42 different assignments to try and make up. Okay, I'm going to try and give you time since today we kind of changed up, or this semester, we no longer have block days. That's a good thing. Because you know what? I can't teach for 90 minutes and you can't learn for 90 minutes. So it's better to have smaller portions every day. If you do the homework every day, just for the problems I give you every day, you can probably be done every day in class without actually having to take anything home. That's if you are focusing. Okay? Hate to tell you, y'all seniors. At this point, right now, you're really going to have to adult. Most of you are 18. And do you know what that means? And not even that. You're going to have to start doing adult things like pay your taxes. And guess what we're doing this unit? I'll teach you how to do your taxes. At the end of this unit, you're going to actually be able to file your own taxes for free. For free. Do you have to pay someone to do it? No. You don't have to pay anyone to do it. What do you mean February? The due date, the due date for taxes, April 15th. But we will be done, we will be able to have it done before that. Now, a lot of people, depends on where you work at, okay? So if you work with your uncle, you have to wait for him to finally, give you a W-2 for last year, right? Or, if everyone just paid you cash underneath the table, you didn't get any taxes, right? That means you don't file taxes. So, but you also have no credit history, which is not a good thing, and we're going to find out about that. Okay, so some of those people, they have until February 1st to get you your W-2. So if you worked at McDonald's, you worked at, I don't know, where the other place you work at? Walmart.
I worked at Walmart.
Yeah, where you work? Yes, you. Jiffy Lube. Really? If I roll up to Jiffy Lube, I see you there, I'm keep going. I'm like, man, I want this guy.
What is that?
Huh? Mechanic, yeah, it's oil changes. That's crazy. Seriously. Oh, anyway. All right, so, but this semester, I'm going to do my best to try and get you guys and keep you guys on task. So, it's kind of like how Lucky's over here playing with his phone, okay? But he wouldn't do something like that, though, right? Okay. No, he was taking notes on the conversation. Okay, good. There we go. All right, so for today, we're starting in our notebook on what page? 5. Remember, odd numbers. Odd numbers are the notes. 5, and as you open up your notebook, it's always going to be on the right-hand side. There's so many people that are going to mess this up every single time. Every single time. I'm going to come over and I'm going to look at, I'm like, dude, do you know how to count? And it goes like 1, 2, 3, and then they miss 4, and it goes 5, 6, and yeah, they miss, they skip numbers. Okay, but we're not going to have that problem today. Along with this is going to be the basic unit. Once we actually get into doing some of this financial stuff, we have these special calculators over here, which are like super duper fancy. Yeah, my charger doesn't charge very well, so I have to like push it down. Like when your phone jack doesn't work and you have to like hold it in there to get it to charge. I got that same problem here. Anyway, but we're going to do those, and you're going to pick up one of those, and you're going to pick up the one assigned to your desk. Now, everyone is supposed to have a number on their desk except for Diddy, who already tore his off.
No, I didn't.
I appreciate you. I really do. Okay, so that's the number that you're going to get for your calculator. So there's an assigned calculator to each seat, so I know who has what. So if we have certain people like, Diddy that tags up, puts his gang signs all over my calculator, okay, then I know who to come back and, Rochambeau for it. Now, but today we're just going to do percent, sales tax, and discounts. Super easy. Okay, let's see. All right, percent is the result of expressing numbers as part of 100. The word percent means per 100. So every time you were to see something and it says percent, it's that number divided by 100. You could turn any percent into a fraction by saying that number divided by 100, right? Okay, super easy. Expressing a fraction as a percent, divide the number by the denominator, divide the numerator by the denominator, multiply the quotient by 100. This is done by moving the decimal 2 points to the right. Okay, add the percent sign. Step by step. Okay, but you could write this down right. Dang, right? That's like super good. Like there's like lines there to write this stuff down. Good thing it's actually written down also, right? Yeah, it's almost like, if you only had a pen to write that down too, right? It'd be a little bit more permanent.
It would.
Express 5/8 as a percent. Here it is, step by step.
That's what I'm talking about.
Lucky, you all right? Yeah, you all right? I'm just wondering, because you didn't turn the page, you were playing with your phone for some reason, right? You wouldn't do something like that, would you?
That's what's up.
Hey, step by step. 5 divided by 8 on the calculator. You get this. Multiply this by 100 times by 100. Add the percent sign on the end. Bam! That was easy. There it is. Super easy, right? Okay. Expressing a decimal number as a percent. To express a decimal number as a percent, okay, move the decimal 2 places to the right. Attach a percent sign. 2 to the right, and then, okay? So we move 2 places to the, to the, we go to the, thank you, 2 to the right. So watch this. So I'm going to go 1, 2, there we go. So that's going to give me 47. The 0 up front, do I still keep that 0 there?
You don't have to.
I don't have to, but is it going to be wrong? No, it's not going to be wrong if I try to, but it's not necessary. And I can put the decimal right there, though, right?
Yeah.
Is that going to change it? No, it's not going to change it. Let's move the decimal 2 to the right and slap on what? Percent sign. Look at that. Look at that. That was easy, right?
Drop that one.
Expressing a percent as a decimal. Ooh. To express a percent as a decimal number, move the decimal 2 places to the left, remove the percent sign. Remove the percent sign. Okay? Now, let's see if you could do these two yourself.
Got it.
Dude,
I'm not saying
you know, I'm gonna move you to honors because you are on top of this. You got this. On top of it. You really are. You know what? I'm about listen. I'm about ready to hand you this pen. You are on top. You got this. No. You sneak in here. Okay. Anyone else sneak in here that I did not see? All right. No one else snuck in here and either one of these? Okay. All righty. So, A. So what are we going to get for A? 0.19. So we move the, okay, if you notice there is no decimal point, is there?
No.
There's no decimal point, it's always to the right. It's something I don't see. So I just start here, and I go 1, 2, and I get, I can put a 0 in front of it too. Yeah, so it could be 0.19, and knock off that percent sign, yes. Huh? You want to do that one? You want to do that one? Here you go. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Diddy's got this one.
I hope so.
All right. So we get, but you got to talk your way through this.
Oh, basically since it's 180% is over the 100 milestones. So and then all you gotta do is what's
You
your
got, buddy? Come on, Teddy.
Come on. You got to project to the class.
Oh my God.
So up here. So right here. Okay. So Mr. Parker up here. Okay. Is now projecting to the class. So now when you're talking as an instructor, you're talking to the person in the back of the room. Okay. I'm not just talking about these people right here. You're talking to the people in the back of the room. You're way back there.
I'm not a speaker though.
No, but this is who you're talking to. You talk to that fool all the time because I can't get you to shut up most days. Okay? You're always talking to him. So you're talking like you're talking to people in the back. Okay? All right. So explain to them.
Well, since it's over the 100% milestone, it's damn. I'm supposed to explain this, but
Did we say to the left?
yeah, 6 to the left. All right. Since it's well, it wouldn't make sense in their eyes.
Okay, but how did I start it? I started by putting what?
Decimal.
Okay, decimal
Oh,
points right
alright.
there, right?
Yeah, you just move it 2 to the left.
To the left, right? Hey, who are you talking to though? You're talking to them.
So if you move it 2 to the left, it would be. You probably be confused on how we got that since it's over 100%.
Yeah.
Does your strategy change from the last question?
No.
Just move it to the left. Doesn't matter if it's 100% or 1,000%, does it?
No.
And then what do we do to that percent sign?
Take it away.
Get rid of it. Very good. Good job, Mr. Parker. Thank you. Okay, he's got this. He's got this. Okay. Just remember that in 4 years, or
I taught you that.
or 15 years when your kids end up in his class. Okay.
I said, Johnny has 2 apples.
Yeah. So
Him yelling.
I know, right? You're gonna come to your parent-teacher conference one of these days, and you're gonna see Mr. Parker there, and you're gonna be like, man, I remember you. Seriously, you're my kid's teacher now, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I used to watch you and Javi get high in the bathroom, and you are now my kid's teacher. What the hell? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop right here. We're gonna stop right here on this question, and then we're gonna pick it up again tomorrow, because I want you guys to start working on some of these problems. I want you guys working on what you did right now. So on the homework problems that I assigned, you're gonna do the ones that match what we just did. Super easy, right?
Yep.
Okay, all right, so good job. So Mr. Parker for the win. Okay, make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button, support my channel. Buy stuff at the merch store.